as you know, in my last episode, I got all my cushions finished. So now I have to reattach the hinges to my bunk bed. And I'm going to try and put that in today, but I also have to put the seals up inside the Boler behind the cushion. I think I can probably squeeze it in there with it on. But yeah, so I'm going to try my best to do this and see how it works.
I thought I wanted to save us, but I was stuck in the past. Messed me up, I wanted to hurt. Just give me something that lasts. I think you know what I'm made of, yeah. So where am I in this maze? Paint a picture in vivid color. Can't tell me.
So I got my hinges on. I was feeling through the fabric because you can feel where the old holes were for the screws, so I wanted to make sure I got it in the right spot. So now I'm going to try and put it in. Wish me luck.
From the grace, to slow things down and clear my mind. It's like leaving a toxic friend behind. You say yes.
Some new seals there so that I don't have to take the bunk off again, and it's easy for me to do that. Now here I go with the bunk bed.
I don't need to say that you know that I tried, and I don't wanna hide or waste another life. Say no, and I will let go. I don't need to say that you know that I tried, and I don't wanna.
It looks so good. Look at that! Okay, I'm gonna go get all the other cushions and put them in and set this up for you.
Waste another life. Left in the pool of my own mess. When I said I'm gonna change, you made me pick up the broken glass. Don't want it to be in vain, no. But to slow things down and clear my mind, it's like leaving a toxic friend behind. You say yes, and you don't make waves. I don't need to say that you know that I'll try, and I don't wanna hide or waste another life. Say no, and I will let go. I don't need to say that you know that I'll try, and I don't wanna hide or waste another life. Would you believe if I told you that I don't wanna go back? I'm just afraid that I'll lose you, and I don't wanna hide or waste another life.